Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate to you how to replace the key fob battery in this Vauxhall remote key fob. The key fob battery is situated behind this panel here, so we need to remove this panel to gain access to the battery. We do that with a very thin, small, flat-headed screwdriver. And we just take the blade of the screwdriver and under the two legs at the bottom of the key fob there, we just place the blade and we just lift the case open like that. So we can remove the cover. And there is your key fob battery. Now using the same screwdriver, we just need to flick the battery out of its housing, like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2032, like this one. We just simply get our new key fob battery and we pop it back into the housing. On this particular fob, we make sure that the writing is facing upwards on the battery so we know it's in its correct location. And now it's time to pop it back together. So we get the cover and we pop that end in first and we just click it down in place, and there you go, it's all done.